Hi guys, so today I got a package from Genoa Squishies, and this is it. Came in this pink packaging, and it's just gonna rip it. So I'll pull it out. Comes in this really cute bag. I'm gonna open it up. So it comes with this. If I can open it, it comes with this box. So first I'm gonna. Oh wow! It comes with this tag and this card. Then we have this Pop a Good Luck thing. I don't even know what it is. It's like I'm going really fast. My phone's about to die, so yeah. But then we have this Puni Maru box. And we have this creamy candy donut. It's really soft. It smells really good. Sorry if you guys can't see the squishiness, like I'm really trying to go fast. And then this is the new donut that just came out. It's really airy. Oh my god, it's so solarizing. I feel like I can see it. It smells really good. So I'm gonna take this out. It smells, doesn't really smell like anything. It smells like chemicals. It's really strong. And then this is the charm, and then the phone dust plug right there. I'm gonna take this out of the packaging, even though this is nice. It comes with this acrylic tag. Oh, it smells really good. Put up the tag? No. Alright. So that's all that I got in my squishy package. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's really quick. I'm so sorry. That's all I could do in this short amount of time before my camera dies. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.